Finally all packed. I'm going on a very short holiday to Croatia today. The original plan was to go for a week or two in September. However, our government only allows us to go to Croatia for 48 hours without having to quarantine for 14 days upon returning back to Slovenia. So we're only going for 48 hours. And I have a little secret to share with you when we get there. So we've made it to Croatia, and I guess I can now finally tell you that we have bought a summer house. Well, my mom did. I'm still very much broke, and I highly doubt that I'll ever be able to buy any sort of property, but I will be able to stay here when it's finished. And I'm taking over the role of the interior designer, which is something that I am very excited about. The house is actually really old and hasn't been renovated in 30 years. We basically need to rebuild it from scratch. The only thing that's gonna stay the same are the external walls. Everything else has to be redone. The house hasn't even been emptied before we bought it, so we first have to take everything out because there's still tons of furniture, even though we've already cleared a lot of stuff. And then yeah, we need to take care of the heating, the flooring, build some internal walls. The process is actually gonna take at least 3 years probably, but let me give you a little sneak peek of the second floor. This is the current situation of the second floor. This is definitely going out. It's more suitable for some sort of a mountain hut, but basically this is where the bathroom's gonna be. These stairs go to the rooftop terrace, but these stairs will have to be rebuilt as well. And then in this space here, we will actually build 3 bedrooms. 2 would be better, but I guess there's a lot of us, so we're gonna try to maximize the space. 1 bedroom's gonna be over here, the other one here, and the third one's gonna be like a smaller one, very narrow one, which was assigned to me. It will be definitely quite a challenge to fit in all the furniture I want to have in, like a bed. Basically, this wall is going to be a little bit extended, I feel like, to here, so that it will fit like a 2-meter long bed. By the bed, there will be like a bedside table. In here, on this wall, I guess, will be the closet. In this little section over here, I'll try to fit in some sort of a desk so I can work when I'm here. But yeah, this is obviously where the wall is gonna be, and I think this is where another door will be. But there's the little terrace over here, which I don't know if I'm gonna use, but the main terrace is here, which the view is so nice. I hope you enjoyed a little sneak peek. It is still light outside. We have probably just 30 minutes left before the sunset, so I guess I'll see you tomorrow morning. Good morning! So we are in a little town called Vrbnik today. We're gonna be exploring all the little cute alleys here and take some photos, and guess what we have just found? The narrowest street in the world. Here it is. I mean, it is really narrow. I'm not quite sure if I can fit through it, but let's give it a go. Ooh, I can. Oh my god, this is claustrophobic. I feel like I'm gonna get stuck. So we got some shots, and now it's chill time. I'm on the beach in my swimsuit. I haven't checked the sea temperature yet, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna take a swim or not, but I'm definitely gonna read this book that my friend Stella sent me just a few days ago. It's called Fuck No. How to stop saying yes when you can't, you shouldn't, or you just don't want to. It is written by Sarah Knight, and this is definitely a book that I need in my life. Stella said it was basically written for me. Ooh, this is quite cold. I don't think I'll be swimming today. Another day, another suitcase, another location. So I am in Ljubljana. I have had a mental week since coming back from Croatia. I've got so much work. I'm just running around catching deadlines, but I came to Ljubljana because tomorrow morning I'm having brunch with my friends and nothing is stopping me. And since renovations are a massive topic of this video, here is our current state of our living room in Ljubljana. Everything that used to be on the balcony is still in the dining area, I guess, because they have still not finished doing the facade. You see, not done. This has actually been going on since, I think, even before Corona. Yeah, definitely before Corona. And now it's almost October. It's almost October, I just realized that. Anyway, yep, they're still not done. They're drilling and banging and I don't know what else every single day, which is why I haven't been staying in Ljubljana much like I originally planned. But yeah, what can you do? I really hope it's gonna be done soon because I want the dining room back and I want to start having dinner parties with my friends. Helene and I are doing Friendsgiving this year, so it better be done by November. This evening I'm working on my photography workshop that I'm having next week via Zoom due to COVID. And while I'm trying to put together the slideshow, I'm also watching a LaterCon, which is like a social media conference, I guess. Also, I just ordered some Chinese. Got my Chinese. This is how I go overboard on purpose because let me show you my fridge. This is everything in my fridge right now. A sad avocado, actually a very yummy avocado that I'm gonna have like tomorrow. Some pickles, some pickled pepperoni, which I don't even eat, and some like bell pepper condiment. So yeah, I need food basically and I won't have time to cook. So I ordered myself dinner plus tomorrow's lunch and dinner plus maybe Friday's lunch. These are just prawn crackers, but I have... Actually, let me get everything out and then I can show you properly. We have crispy chicken with rice, which I ordered because I didn't know it already comes with rice. So now I have double the rice. I have dumplings, obviously, and then I also have the fried chicken noodles and some sweet and sour sauce to go with the chicken and rice, I guess. Of course, I forgot to finish the vlog. When you don't do this for a while, you kind of forget how it works. But you haven't missed anything. I was just working. I had 2 food poisonings as well since coming back from Croatia, which was very fun. It's not something that usually happens to me. I literally had 1 food poisoning before, like in my whole life, and now in the 2 weeks I had 2. The first one I got in a restaurant when coming back from Croatia. I ate chicken, and the other one was only a couple of days ago when I had pizza with like a sauce, and the sauce was like mayo based, so I think that was the problem. Yeah, crazy times. But anyway, I'm not gonna go on too long because I have nothing interesting to tell you, so I guess I'll just see you soon, maybe in my next video. Bye!
About to leave, already packing, come with me, I'm not really asking.